What guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own airsoft shield, and it's also going to be fireproof because why not? It's just it's just kind of cooler, so we'll be doing that as well. I started this project a little while ago and I made my own shield already. It is basically one of those foam sleds with the plastic bottom, and it's just the perfect shape for a shield, as you can see. And then the plastic itself with the foam does stop the bullets. It does puncture holes in it, as you can see, but it does stop them. So the arm strap is an old leather belt that here's a buckle, and then here's the end piece that I punched some holes and used a shoelace to hold it together, and it works really well to hold it. I got this massive cookie sheet, so it's the exact same size as the shield. That's how it's gonna be fireproof. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. To start off, you're going to use your marker and just trace the shape of the shield onto the cookie sheet, and then use your metal cutting scissors to cut the shape out. Also make sure to grab like a tarp to catch the metal shavings that'll fall off, and also wear gloves because it gets pretty sharp. Next, you're going to grab some pliers and fold the edge of the shield towards the inside. This is going to hide the sharp part and make it smooth on the edge, so we don't have to worry about getting a perfect cut. Then you're going to hammer it down so it stays there. So with the parts that didn't fold well, I just used a hammer to try bend it, and then I filed down all of the sharp edges that I missed. Then you mark where you're going to be drilling your holes. Make sure the drill bit you are using is the same size as your bolts, and then put the bolts in as you go just to make sure the shield stays aligned. But don't bolt it all the way down. So we're going to be throwing on a layer of shirt between the shield and the metal, just because if the metal did get heated up, we don't want it melting the plastic off of the back of the sled. So this is going to create that barrier. Then you're just going to use the marker to trace the shape of the shield onto the shirt, and then use clips to hold it there while you cut it out. Next, I didn't know how I was going to keep it there for me to screw it together, so I just super glued the edge and then folded the cloth on top. Then I'll go back and cut off the excess later. Grab your X-Acto knife, fill in the sled where the holes we drilled were from earlier, and then just poke X's in the shirt on the hole so the bolt will be able to go through. Some of the holes were harder to find, so I had to stick the bolt up from the bottom to poke, and I was able to see where the hole was. So putting it together, I threaded the bolt through the metal sheet first and then just pushed it through the shirt and the sled because I didn't want to risk twisting the shirt up by screwing it in. Make sure to put washers on the top and bottom of the shield, so against the metal and the foam part. Then I use these bolt cutters to trim down the bolt as much as possible. After that, I filed down the rough ends and then used a vacuum to suck all of the excess off. Also make sure to not accidentally rub against the top of the sled so you don't file a hole in it. Okay, so I wasn't able to bolt down the bolts all the way or else it would start to tear the foam in the sled. So I just got it kind of in the sweet spot where it'd hold the shield together and not tear, and then I just super glued it there so it'd stay. So here there wasn't enough room to put on screw caps on the bolts, so I just put a little bit of hot glue on the tips to protect my arms from getting scratched. What's up, guys? So we're out in the mountains, became hunting, and I brought my shield with me. We're gonna test it out with my brother's airsoft rifle and we'll see how it goes. Test one of my airsoft shield. Ah, my arm! I got my shoulder. We just shot it with full auto, pretty close, and it dented it a lot, but nothing went through at all. What's up, guys? So we're about to test the fireproof part of my shield. We got our hose on jet mode so we can obliterate any fires that come. Then we got our shield hanging right here with a nice cement background. And then let's see how it goes. Okay, so test 2 of the airsoft shield. No way! No way! It doesn't burn. Psych. Oh, it stayed on it for a second. So spraying it did leave this residue. It started dripping a little bit, so I'm just gonna have to wipe that off with some paper towels. What's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, like and comment, especially subscribe if you want to see more projects like this. Also, thank you so much for spreading the word. I got like 240 views on my first YouTube video, and that's just insane to me. Anyways, see you guys in the next one.